Hello everybody, it's Sobanator here, and guys, it has been a really long time since I made a video. But actually, I've been testing out some new editing software because I got a trial of Adobe Premiere Pro, and I gotta say, it is really nice. Even though it's crazy expensive, I gotta say I like it, and it's a lot better than my free editing software, Virtual Dub, at the moment. But as of right now, it's pretty good. Hold on, let me turn the volume down on friendly creatures. Yeah, and then I think we'll either turn that down. That's better. Anyway, like I was saying, I really like this new software. It's really nice actually. I enjoy it, and everything I should be uploading a lot more regularly now because I got out of school a few weeks ago. Excuse me, that was my phone. Stupid Clash of Clans notification. But anyway, like I said earlier, I am out of school, so that is awesome. And right now, I am stuck in a cave system because I partially finished the tunnel. Let me turn this down. Would this be players? Yeah, there we go. Basically, I somewhat finished the tunnel leading out to the swamp biome, but I kind of didn't because I made the tunnel, but I didn't do like the 3x3 area, if you know what I mean. Like, I just kind of got really lazy with it, and I was just like, this just really isn't for me. Okay, good. I'm still recording. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and pillar up here because ain't nobody got time to find that tunnel. We'll probably find it eventually. Darn it. What does this happen to me, So it runs through this mountain right here. I believe it's like right there or something. I don't know. But I like it. And hopefully I will make great use of it. Wait. Okay, I'm lost. Yeah. I don't think. Let me go to the top of this hill here. Well, I got lost trying to find out where. That's a nice area right there. Oh dear. Did I get lost? What's going on here? Why is all this lag going on? Alright. Oh, the desert biome's over there. So I think my house should be in this general vicinity over here. Okay. What's going on with this lag? Alright. Don't make me cut. Okay, never mind. I'm good. I think it's just the world generating. If the lag continues, then I will most likely exit back out. Okay, I know where I am now. Sweet. Now, as you can see here, the sugar cane is. Oh my gosh. Alright, are we all good? Alright. As you can see here, all the sugar cane is gone because one, I had way too much, and two, I'm gonna do a project in later episodes. Hopefully in the next one of a huge sugar cane farm right there. So that's that. And there's the tunnel. Let me go ahead and show you it. Basically, I know I want to make this all regular stone, even though it's going to be a huge project. But I'm going to make that probably glass or something. Zombies. Let me turn hostile creatures down just a tad. And this is it. It's just a 2x1, 1x2 tunnel of just, rock and everything. So that's that. And now I believe I want to go ahead and work on the house a little bit. Because like I said, we have way too much stuff to do. Do I have any coal? No, I don't think I do. Cripes, that's not good. Anyway, I know there is some coal right here. And here. And is that it? 3 pieces of coal. Oh, no, here it is. Here is a big vein. Ah. This is so much better. Okay. Now, I know I'm probably going to fill this in off camera. Or fill the tunnel in full. You know, not fill the tunnel in. You know what I mean. Just fill in the pockets of, like, dirt and diorite, andesite, and granite, and all that kind of stuff. I'm all going to fill that in with regular stone. And that way I can, hopefully I can get some mine carts going on, make like a little railway system here, make some junctions, and maybe have like a staircase leading up to the top of this mountain or something. I don't know. Just stuff I've been thinking. And I don't want to rush everything. Because if I feel like when I rush something, then it becomes a lot, just becomes really, really bad looking. So I'm just gonna use dirt. And I'll patch it up. Alright, 42 coal. That should suffice for now. Now, let's go in here and heat things up in the furnace. I don't really need stone right now. Actually, I could. You're right, I could. There we go. And it's 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. Now, let me grab some more cobble. Let me just dump all this in here. Because all the stuff that I don't need. Okay. Let's use this. Let me go to sleep. Things never do play out for me. You cannot sleep. You can only sleep at night. Well, I think it's turning night right now, game. There we go. Now, I want to work on the balcony part of the house, because I know that is a major part. I'm probably going to go up like a few more, then just have it wrap around there and maybe cut into the mountain or something. So that's what I aim to do in this episode. So hopefully we can, or at least I can accomplish that. Let me get a crafting table out here. I know I saw it in the chest, so I think we're good, right? Yeah. Okay, that is good. Can never open that door quite fully. And you know what, while I'm at it, let's see here. Since I can never open the doors, cannot craft today. Boom. I didn't intend to make 3 pressure plates. I know that's like ghetto as heck, but it'll work. Wow, they opened simultaneously. Alright, enough of that. Alright, I have the crafting table out here. Right, yeah. And I'm just going to place that right there, and then we can go ahead and make a whole lot of stairs. And we got the birch wood. Very nice. Looks like I am prepared for this episode after all. I can go ahead, go up here. Boom. Can you do it? Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna go, I think, I want to get some ladders going on here so I can access everything just in a pinch in case I need it. Let me go ahead and do that. I can go ahead and just make 6, right? Yeah. 18. I think that'll suffice, right? Really? Inventory? Want to do that with me? Oh, it didn't open simultaneously. That was frustrating. How am I gonna do this? How come I can't place that? There we go. Actually, Yeah, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. There we go. Because I can. Alright. Oh, no. I do not want to do that because go ahead and just place those down. Okay. A little access platform right here. We can make that out of wool. Oh, gosh. No, I don't want to do that. This house is becoming a tedious job. But it needs to be done because I can't live in an incomplete house. It just doesn't make sense. Gotta get rid of that. Come on. There we go. And now if I can just get up here. Let's see. There we go. And I'll patch this up as soon as I get up here. Let me take this crafting table from down here, and I will go ahead and just bring it up here because, you know, that's what we do. What I do, at least. Okay. You can go ahead. I think this project, let's just split this in half. There we go. So I got this game called Rust over the weekend, or last week, I should say. And let me tell you, it is smoking fun. It is really fun. Basically, it's like an MMO version of Minecraft. And let's see here. Why does my game keep lagging? Okay, I don't understand. Anyway, it's actually pretty fun. Basically, just go around hunting and collecting stuff, and there's no real objective, I guess you could put it that way. The objective, I guess, is just try to survive, like Minecraft, really. I mean, Minecraft, you have to kill the Ender Dragon and, you know, do all that kind of stuff involving, like, the Wither and the Ender Dragon, and it's, you know, it's not too hard. I mean, of course, I haven't done it before, at least in survival, that is. But you know, anyway, you know, it's like, you know, I don't really find Minecraft not that fun without an objective, you know. Always like a goal you try to work with, I guess, if that's a way of putting it. If I can just jump in here. How does this look? This actually looks pretty good. And I can have like a balcony going up there and stuff. So, yeah, I say this is turning out to be freaking awesome, guys. I'd say so myself. Basically, let's see. Turning out a-okay. I can go up here. No, I don't want to do that. Extend this out. Construction site, beware of falling blocks. Okay, and then I can just get some slabs going, am I right? Let's see. Yeah, I can just get some slabs going there. Yeah. Okay. I think that, oh, that's way too many. Okay, we can go up here. And then we can begin construction. Gosh darn it. Okay. We did that? Yes, I did. Oh, don't tell me there's another layer on here? Yeah. Okay. This is why I hate working on mountainsides, because scaffolding is always kind of tricky. Seriously? Really, game? You want to do that? I have 17 levels. Of course, this game's like, okay, yeah, just go ahead, man. Go kill yourself. Ooh, almost done with our wheat. That's nice. There we go. Now I can go check on the progress. I want to make this all stone. Anyway. What's new with you guys? Anything? You know? I mean, I was sick over the weekend, which isn't fun at all. And anyway, yesterday I had a basketball game, and it was championships. And I think it was like 48 to 50, and I get fouled in the last minute. And this is just awesome, guys. I sink 2 free throws and tie the game at overtime. Sadly, we lost, but GG to the other team, right? They had their game, and you know, I guess it was just, you know, destined to happen, man. You know, they were supposed to win, we were supposed to lose, but I mean, we played our best, and in the long run, that's just what matters, you know. So I'm kind of eyeballing this as we go along, but hopefully it'll turn out to be a-okay. You know, I mean, hopefully everyone will like this house. Sweet, we got some birch wood. Okay. Anyway, so my week's been pretty action packed, but for the most part, you know, I just live with it, man. You know, I'm one of those people that just can go with the flow. You know, if there's an instant change in something, or if we have to go someplace, I'm like, all right, I'll be there. So you know, that's just me. That's my life. Excuse me. Let's see here. Probably just gonna go out there, and I'm just gonna do this. I'm probably just gonna do this, yeah. And then we can have maybe some support pillars coming out, because that's what I like. Okay. So how many pillars is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can go one more. I like to be even. 10. Yeah. That looks pretty spanking awesome. And yeah. Like digging in. Yeah, that is all gonna be just regular stone. Okay. Let's see, is it all done cooking? Yeah. That's done cooking. Just put that iron in reserve for now. Holy cow, you got a decent amount. You know, over time in Minecraft, you start to accumulate items, like such as iron, that really you don't really notice about until you like put them all in a chest. Because that has happened with me on many occasions. And I mean, it's a nice surprise, really. You know, I like it. I like iron. You know, it's like when you're first starting Minecraft. You know, it's a nice, I guess, starting tool. I mean, I don't know. I think we are gonna do this, right? And then we can probably have a little staircase going up, what, like here? Yeah. Out of what? I think I can make it out of just regular birchwood. Is that okay? I mean, how would I make it out of stone stairs? No, I like to make it out of birch so I can continue the pattern. Because I like to work with the same thing. Excuse me, I had a really bad cough. Okay. The worst thing is when you get a cough while doing a YouTube video because it just sounds really awkward. So as you can see, I have a lot of sugarcane. I got a lot of stone stuff. Okay. Well, I'm gonna cut out now, and then I will see you probably in a few seconds. Thanks to YouTube magic, the magic of YouTube editing. Okay, I am back. And let's see here. Probably just take, let's just say 12. And we can just waste all these up, 16. And I'm very low on food. Oh, who cares? I'm just gonna go ahead, drill through this. Let's see here. Okay. Now, very nice. I'm probably gonna come out to here, actually. A little landing platform for me. And just clear this tree out of the way so it doesn't bother us. And then I can go ahead and just boom. And there I go. Oh yes, I have 14. Split that in half. Yeah. Wow. I can probably make that wall all stone, and I probably will, actually. Let's see here. Very nice. Oh no. I don't have any arrows. Okay, he won't bother us. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now, I'm just going to make a wall. No, thinking a wall won't be good. Oh, wait. I can keep it too high like that. And then... yeah. That would work. Of course, it's starting to rain. What's my frame rate at? Okay. I think this has something to do with either fraps or not enough disk space. But if it was not enough disk space, then my game would crash. Or fraps would, actually. Come on. Give me something to work with here. Okay. And then I can just boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oh, oops, I forgot that part. I'm pretty sure I can just go ahead and dump that there. And you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna put this here. We can replace this wall with stone, yeah. How high was it? I don't remember. I'll probably eyeball it. I think it was like 3 high. right? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that looks somewhat natural. Okay, I'll just cover that up with the stone. Yeah, that looks somewhat natural. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna line that up with that. That with that. Creeper, creeper, creeper. Die, please. Thank you. And let's go ahead and clear all of this out. That can go there. And that can go there. Excellent. Oh, wow. That was incredible. I'm going to put my crafting table up here so that way I won't have to worry about it. That and a chest. Chest would be appropriate right there. There we go. And put a roof. Nah, let's just leave it like that. Okay, now we go up here and we're encountered with this. And then we can probably begin the fence right here. And we can just place that there. Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna go down here. Of course, there needs to be a crafting table right there, so let me just place one there. Okay. How does this look? Probably looks really bad, but you know, not really. It looks pretty good. Except I'm gonna need to fix all of that crap. Really, I mean, I just mind all this. Okay. Okay, good, I can reach it. I totally got this. Do I? I believe I do. Oh boy. Well, this is going to be an extra long episode today because I haven't seen you guys. I haven't made a video for you guys in such a long time. I think it's only right to make one that's really long. Oof. Okay, let me go ahead and just stand on top of here and just bring all this down. I can go ahead and get rid of this. I could have just done that in the first place. I don't know why I didn't. But I guess that's just the way I meant to do it. Now, I believe... Where does this go? Ooh, lag. That's strange. Oh, boy. Okay. I'll place one crafting table like right there. Just in case I'll ever need it. This looks pretty good, I believe. Ooh, nice. I didn't take fall damage that time. Alright. Looks too square. I'll have to fix it. Anyway, it looks pretty good. So I think that is perfect for what I am trying to accomplish. And let's see here. Do I have any food? I got raw beef. That'll work. I got sticks. I'll just use sticks. Oh, the food should be in here. Yeah. Here we are. So off pork chops and bread. I can deal with that. Oh, but I needed that wheat. Oh well. Oh, never mind. I got 64 right here. Yeah, it's almost time to collect. Holy cow, there's so many cows here. Wow, I'm getting... Whoa, what are you doing here, cow? You're lagging out? Ooh, that's good. There are a lot of cows here. That's nice. Okay. Now, here comes the part of sorting your chests. I don't want to do it. I'll work on that later. But, I need a place for all my sugarcane to go, man, you know? I'll take that. Let's see. Truth be told, I don't need probably all this cobble. But I do. Wow. So much sugarcane. Who would have thought, you know? If anything. Okay. Time to clear all of this out. I want to just do this in no particular order, you know? To be honest with you. Let's see. I'll take the granite. I'll take that. Let's see if I can take... Oh, I'll take that, yeah. Take that. Let's see. Oh, no dirt. Okay, I didn't encounter that to be a problem. I could possibly make chests under these. No. We can make a chest right here. That would not be an issue. At least I don't think it would be. Ooh, I love the music. Very eerie. Dirt would probably go in here. Again, I'm doing this in no particular order, so just bear with me here, people. Stone tools would go in this slot in no particular order. Oh, but they can't. Dang it. I just have to use the stone tools up, I suppose. I have a lot of stone tools. This is unnecessary. Iron can go with me. Just trying to be more organized here, folks. Wheat can go in here. Sugarcane, I still need to put that in this one. Why do I keep forgetting? Make a row for... You know what? Cobblestone can go in with the dirt. I believe that is the proper place. This is a lot more neater than I thought it would be. Oh no. A regular stone. Yes, and paper, lighters, gunpowder. Regular birchwood can probably just go in here. Go in there. Dirt, cobblestone. Very nice. Gold. Gold can go. I'll probably just have like a miscellaneous thing. Oh, seeds. That can go with the wheat. You know, for right now, I'm just gonna have to have everything organized. You know, I don't care where anything goes, because I'm not super OCD, but when it comes to some of these things, yes, I am very OCD. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Paper. Ooh, wow. Chest full of it. Take that sand. I can take that. Take that. I can take that. Okay. We are getting places, people. Wrong chest. Oh, I have a lot. Sand goes in this chest. Gravel. Where does gravel go? I have no honking idea. Oh, yes. Thank you. That. You know what? Let's see here. All that. Ah, there's still sugarcane. Completely forgot. Oakwood. Wow. This has become very tedious. Very, very tedious. Oh my gosh, I need a. You know what? I don't need this much sugarcane. Okay. Oh, the cows aren't. Oh, there's one more crop left. I am just gonna take all of that and just throw it because I don't need it. Screw it. I'll take that. Thank you, Mr. Zombie. And everything looks so much better. Oh, there's still a chest upstairs. I can deal with. I can use that. Cactus. Lapis. Rotten flesh. That could probably have its own, I guess. Ooh, lightning. I better go to bed soon. That can go in there. Coal can go in there. Paper can probably just go in there. But so far, I like where this is going. Because soon I will have everything under control, which will be nice. And this is, I know this is really boring for you guys probably to watch. But I mean, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what, I'm just gonna do this. Oh no, wait, I can't. Gotta do it like this. Okay. Well, I'm getting a lot accomplished here today, which I'm really happy about. So, stone hoe. Oh, wait, axe. Ooh, that goes in which chest? Doesn't go in any of those. All right. Leather. That is a important material. I can take that, yeah. And I can go in there. And that can go in there. All that can go in there. Now if I would get a place for the gravel. And then ladders can go somewhere. Wait, birch saplings. Or birch saplings. They deserve a place. Let's see. You know what? In all fairness, rotten flesh doesn't need a spot. Because, you know, I don't need it. I don't want you here, rotten flesh. Let's see. Sticks. Okay. Everything else. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Yeah. Okay. Everything is pretty much organized. All the stuff that I need, actually. And then I'm probably just going to have a miscellaneous chest right there. See, this is convenient. I like it. Okay. I'll put this in there. Actually, I don't need that. That can go on the spot. Anything that has more than 9 or more can go in the chest, but these don't. Mushroom. All right. Everything that has a spot, that needs a spot, has a spot. Also, other junk. Oh, let's make a miscellaneous chest for. Okay. Wow, everything is neat and organized. So I think that calls it for an episode today, guys. I'm really tired, so I'm going to be making more Terraria episodes because I know you guys like to see some more of that. And hex it. So anyway, let me just collect this and then I will be on my way out. I can just do this probably, right? Yeah. Not really. Dang it. There we go.